Who really invented the Maxwell Street Polish? We went on the shortest hot dog crawl to do a side-by-side comparison. First up is Express Grill. This one's all about the heat. The serrano peppers piled on top bring the spice front and center. The mustard and grilled onions are there, but it's the heat that hits you the first bite. And as an added bonus, there's usually no line, and you'll probably get your hot dog before you take your card out to pay. Next, just steps away, Jim's Original Hot Dog. Open since 1939, they've got street cred and the crowd. Yes, there are lines, but they move quickly. Their Polish is loaded with grilled onions, like a lot, and then comes the mustard. Their mild serrano peppers play more of a background role, but it's still just as iconic as Express Grill. Chicagoans may never know which hot dog stand is the true birthplace of the Maxwell Street Polish dog. And while Jim's might win People's Choice in Chicago, we think Express Grill is better. There's less onion overload and more of that spicy kick we love. For more iconic hot dog stands in Chicago, check out our full guide to the best spots for a true Chicago-style hot dog experience. Link in bio.